ManageID, one solution, any credential.
ManageID is the next generation identity management and credentialing solution that delivers real-time, high-volume, and mission-critical performance for small, medium, large, and very large-scale commercial and government programs. Meeting industry standards, compliance, and best practices, this solution has become the gold standard for managing the entire life cycle of an individual's identity records and identification documents. ManageID has been tested for successful use for various programs, such as voter registration, national ID solution, driver licensing, birth certificates, international travel documents, and border crossing programs. At the core of every program resides the ManageID framework, which is delivered as a scalable, extensible, and service-oriented framework. You can pick and choose from a suite of modules and add-ons that can be rapidly customized to help meet your identity and access management business goals. The overall architecture of ManageID enables it to meet unique requirements, allowing a quicker time to market. This demonstration will showcase badge design, production, management and verification capabilities of ManageID using key components such as Designer, Dynamically T, Preroll Plus, Enroll, Personalize, and Verify. ManageID Designer enables designers to create new designs from a variety of built-in design templates and layouts, or modify existing layouts. If required, custom graphical elements can be included on the front and back of the credential. The biographic data to be displayed on the credential, its sequence, and the exact location of each data field can be customized using this module. Using advanced features, designers can select a font of their choice, define its size, color and style, and even apply various effects to it. This module also supports specific non-Western scripts. ManageID Dynamically T is another patent-pending application that enables configuration of IPTs or identity program templates across web, .NET, and mobile-based platforms. The intuitive ManageID Dynamically T toolkit allows dynamic configuration of forms for capturing biographic information of personnel. Data fields can be added or removed and arranged in a logical sequence. Custom validations and rules, drop-down lists, input mask types, help text and other parameters can be defined easily to ensure a smoother and more efficient data entry process. ManageID Dynamically T also allows for modular delivery of functionality. For example, product configurators can choose to install the biographic capture components of the application first, and select the biometric capture components of this application later. ManageID Dynamically T comes pre-packaged with a variety of identity program templates, such as national ID, passports, visas, global entry and gun permits. ManageID Preroll Plus allows personnel to pre-register themselves on a standalone system via a web-based form. Once the form is submitted, an electronic receipt containing a 2D barcode is generated automatically. This 2D barcode includes the entire biographic data of the individual. A hard copy of this receipt is to be presented to the authorities to initiate the enrollment process. ManageID Enroll is available as a centralized, web-based module or a client-based standalone application. It allows enrollment operators to scan and import the biographic data stored on the 2D barcode, reducing the time for enrollment significantly. There's also an option to enter or edit this data manually. Once the biographic data is validated, biometric data such as fingerprints and facial image of the personnel is captured to complete the enrollment process. Facial images can be stored either by using the integrated image capture capability of ManageID, or via an independent image file upload functionality. Badge production and issuance procedures are controlled by the ManageID Personalize module. The production operator can select and preview multiple badges prior to production. During production, the captured data is encoded on a machine-readable medium, such as a magnetic stripe, 2D or 1D barcode, and the badges are personalized automatically. Visitors can also be enrolled into the system instantly, with either escort requirements or VIP status. Visitors can be granted full access or limited access to specific control points within the facility. ManageID Verify enables online and offline verification of the badge holder at strategic control points within a secure facility. The data encoded on the badge is cross-referenced with the records stored on the central servers, and visual feedback of the results, such as badge holder's photograph and associated access rights, are displayed on the operator's screen. Physical access is granted or denied, depending on whether a badge has the requisite clearance to pass through that particular control point. Advanced automated physical barriers such as gates and turnstiles can also be controlled using this module. ManageID Sync Engine is a patent-pending technology that orchestrates data sync between the central server and multiple nodes across various locations of the ManageID ecosystem. ManageID Sync Engine is database agnostic. It is compatible with all popular database management systems, such as Oracle, MySQL, DB2 and MS SQL, to name a few. It also supports hybrid databases. ManageID Sync Engine functions seamlessly, with different database systems coexisting within the ManageID ecosystem. ManageID Sync Engine allows selective synchronization of information. Depending on the requirement, users can configure the system to synchronize the complete database or selective tables or components effortlessly. ManageID Sync Plus is the Enterprise Edition of the patent-pending ManageID Sync Engine module. It allows administrators to seamlessly and silently push ManageID upgrades and patches to all clients across the network, eliminating the need for customers to buy third-party tools. ManageID Sync Plus has a built-in and configurable health check monitor called ManageID Heartbeat. It pings all the nodes within the ManageID ecosystem repeatedly for operational statuses, and alerts the administrator in case of network failures. ManageID Sync Plus also includes a configurable diagnostic utility called ManageID Remote Diagnostic. It can be used to verify the components of ManageID installed on each kiosk or node, and their licenses. The ManageID Remote Diagnostic utility can also be used to validate hardware components installed across the network, and monitor their statuses.
ManageID, one solution, any credential.